everyone, welcome back. In this session, we'll be discussing about if a number is a prime number or not. Let's start with the code implementation. I have assigned a number as 7. Let's create a function def is prime and pass n. Most important part here is creating a range to check if the number is prime or not. So for that, I am just simply using for loop for I in range. It starts from 2. We'll also check the edge case here. If n is less than equals to 1, then we'll return false. And for this, we'll check until the square root. For square root, you can use this method like n star star means n to the power 0.5, or you can use any other like square root method as well. I'll convert it to the int and then plus 1, and that's it. So if your interviewer asks you like why you are checking the range till the square root, the answer is because there must be at least one factor of n less than square root of n. If there is no such number, then n is definitely a prime number. So let's check. If n mod I equals 0, then return false, else we'll go ahead and keep checking. At the end we'll return true and print, call the function is prime, then pass the number here. Now we are checking for 7. Let me just run this. This is true because 7 is a prime number. Let's check for 1, false because it's not a prime number. 4, not a prime number again, so you can see false. Let's check again, prime number. 17 is a prime number, so true. And that's a wrap for today's session. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights like this.